great job. I've seen her work so hard for this Maharani. Very well, great job. Yeah, and also, I would like to welcome the legends of the game here. That is Shanta, who's been with us throughout from last say about 10 months, and now getting or having Diana Edalji here with us, another legend of cricket, women's cricket, to launch this Maharani Trophy. I think thank you very much. A very warm welcome to you here at KSA and to launch the Maharani Cup Trophy T20 KSA T20. And also, I would like to thank the franchise. That is Bengaluru, sitting right there, and Gulbarga, Mysore, and Hubli as well. So the fourth franchise. So thank you very much for showing a lot of interest. And I think our chairman of Governing Council, Mr. Keshav, has gone on record saying that we would like to probably increase it by another say about a team or two by next year. I'm not very sure how it's going to be. But that's a good vision to have, of course. Like we saw WPL, I suppose, started with 4 teams, and then they added one more to make it 5. And we have seen what WPL has done for women cricket, right? So it's produced a lot of interest in women to play sport in general, and of course cricket in particular. Okay, so we have got another a role model here with us. I would like to welcome Shriyanka Patil as well here. Thank you very much for placing your occasion, Shriyanka. She was part of the World Cup team, and unfortunately she had an injury. And I was watching her, we were talking about it, and I hope and pray that you recover quickly and come back into the Indian team as soon as possible. So this Maharani Cup is a platform for a lot of enthusiastic cricketers, women cricketers, and with this opportunity, so probably this is going to create more Shriyanka Patils or Rajeshwari Gaikwads or Nikki Prasad, several of them who have all gone on and played for India and for the WPL franchise as well. Okay, so with these few words, I wish Maharani Trophy our very best, and we just hope that it continues for a longer time. So we'll make it much more grander next year and in the coming years as well. But then it's huge effort that you have put in, Kalpana. Thank you very much. It's a brilliant job. And also what we have thought about is, I know that I pushed for this, that even women teams or the teams that's playing here for the Maharani also should be playing at Chinnaswamy 1 and underlights. So even they need to be having the experience. Every single team and every day, whenever there is a night match, right? And they're all playing under the new lights that we have installed here, which is LED, and it started from Maharaja, and now even they will get an opportunity also to play under these LED lights. Okay, so I hope that we produce more cricketers, as I said, like Shriyanka or Nikki or Katyushas or Rajeshwari Gaikwads and so on and so forth. So just have fun, compete, and enjoy yourselves. Okay, thank you all very much, and congratulations.